all, Mr. Dwivedi, congratulations so much for winning the IKC 2014 award. Congratulations to you. And as a kitchen professionals, having worked with a number of companies, how do you see the kitchen industry growing in India in the coming years?
Yeah, I hope that kitchen industry must grow in the next coming year, as I see a lot of positive sentiments in the market. Now we have a stable government also, so I think the coming year will be very positive and progressive years for the kitchen industry.
And if I were to ask you a question regarding Evoke's plan, what is Evoke thinking of in the coming years? How is it going to expand? What are your strategies that you're having in place?
Evoke has a very big plans for the next coming years, 2-3 years. We have strategized a plan of spreading the brand across the tier 2 and tier 3 city in terms of franchising the brand and starting in standalone stores like franchisee stores in a model of modular kitchen and wardrobe format. So the process is already initiated and we already signed 6 franchisees. The initial process started from the northern India, but then finally the plans are to cover across the country.
So you have seen the first day of proceedings at IKC 2014. What was one thing that you think was the best?
Yeah, I like specific in this IKC is the presentation of a book of a particle board and the case study by Associate Woods, because it's fact that still as in Europe, but in India people are still not accepting the particle board as an product to be very well except for the Indian cooking conditions. But once they go through with the study, even the designers or even the sales peoples who can explain the customer in a better way that how particle board is a more environment friendly product and good for the kitchen manufacturers also. So these kind of case studies to be present in such a forum will always help this industry to go fast, I hope.
So IKC 2015, what do you think we should include more that is perhaps missing in the 4th edition of IKC 14?
Yeah, today I go through with the presentation of Mary, and there's one thing which my thoughts match with Mary is that the kitchen industry need a professional, fresh blood peoples who know more about the kitchen, but at the same time they also must know the sale. The sale and the designing, this is not two different people's process. It should be done by one single person, and these kind of professional only get if our colleges and interior designing colleges and institutes involve or add the modular kitchen as a subject. That's the only way we will get those kind of professionals market. So I am looking for more and more new peoples, fresh and new joinings to this industry and spread this trend across the market, because as you know that only 10% is still covered and 90% market is still open for that. That's my vision for the IKC 2015. Yeah.
Once again, congratulations so much, Mr. Dwivedi. Congratulations.
Thank you.